Hello YouTube viewers, welcome back. This is Easy B Tactical. I'm Easy B. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video for the latest Sig P210, latest acquisition to the collection. So a Sig box, usual Sig P210 standard. This is the standard version. 80 brochure. Sig sticker, manual, Sig P210, Sig advertisement, and the pistol itself. The Sig P210 is a 9mm handgun. Comes with 2 magazines. They are single stack 8-round magazines. So it's the same kind of similar to a 1911 mag, but let's see if I get in closer. Yeah, so it's a reproduction of a classic pistol that was used in Swiss Army and police forces. This is the P210 standard. There's a P210 target and there's a P210 super target. So this is a standard target P210. 9mm single stack with wood grips, good serration. I've shot one before, but this is a new one I've just got. Pretty accurate. I can't wait to shot. I haven't shot this one. This is brand new again. Wide dot sights, front and rear. Rear slide serrations, front grip serration, and yeah. Get again single stack mag, 1 and 2. 9mm. I can't wait to try it out. And we will have a full review coming up on this pistol one of these days. Sig P210 single stack. As usual, thanks for watching. Stay safe. And if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to the channel. Oh, there's also a front serration, a serration on the front of the trigger guard. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and sign up for the notification and the bell so that you know when we post a review of this pistol. Thanks.